How you doing? I'm Mike Moore with Atlantic Car Care. What I'm going to show today is how to find a misfire. And a lot of times we drive a car, we feel what we think it is, but we can't see it, and seeing is believing, so there's an easy way to do that. This also works with all electrical components such as connectors, wheel speed sensors, all kinds of stuff. Gets a little more technical with them sometimes using lab scopes, but it's simple table salt and warm water mixed together in a squirt bottle. What we have on this Cadillac here is a misfire you can feel, but you really can't see it, not really sure what's going on. So what we're going to do is we're going to squirt the wires with some salt water, disturb the cap, stuff like there, and we're going to see it appear. I'm going to be turning the lights off so we can see it a little better. All right. And like I said, it's an easy way to seeing it, believing. It takes the guesswork out of it, and there's many other applications for this. I use it a lot for finding erratic wheel speed sensors or transmission speed sensors that can poor connection, stuff like there. Just salt water. That's all you need. Thank you.